Can you put the coin in the box? Good girl. Yay! Yeah, this is your hat.
No.
Put it in the box. Yay! And more? Can you sign more? Tess? You got the fingers in the hook. Can you do more? Put it in. Yay! Woo! High five. Woo! Who's clever? Say me. More? You want more? Pull the box then, look. Oh, look. Straight in. Yay! And more. There you go. Look. You do it. Put it in then. Yay! Woohoo! And yellow. In there. Oh, look. You need to look what you're doing, you silly sausage. Look. Oh dear. You try again. Look, with your eyes. No, don't you throw it. Mummy do it, look. Yay! And Tessa. And Mummy. Woo! You do it. You do it. Look. What else can we play with? Isn't it? Can you do drawing? Ready? Oh, just roll your sleeve up. You hold. Ta. Drawing. Wow. Good girl. Oh, sorry. You do more? Wow. You're so clever. Can you do this? Look. Look. Do this one. Stamp. You do it. Put your sleeve up. Hold it. Ready? Stamp. Stamp. Good girl. You look. Boop, 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 boop. You do it. Boop, boop, boop. This way. You got your pen the wrong way round. There. You do it. Oh, no. And round, around, around. You do circle. Woo! Are you done with that one now, you? What else can we do?